Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. In the last video, cut off at the very end. Don't ask me why. It's just like these little problems are just driving me nuts. But anyway, I got a magnifying glass and looked real close here, and sure enough, when this switch is all the way over, it's AM. When it's the next one is FM, the next one is weather band, and then it's pretty well washed off or rubbed off. And then the next one, I didn't see any marking at all. The other thing that's a little confusing is that looking closely again under a microscope, not a microscope, but a magnifying glass, there appears to be only, let me go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It only appears to be 5 positions on the weather band channel switch. Should be 7. Now, I receive the ones down low normally, so that shouldn't make any difference for me. I thought maybe that this last position here that I can't see any markings at all, I thought that might have been weather band 2 to give you the other channels. Like I say, it should be 7. But when I select that, I get nothing, 0, not even static. And there is no auxiliary input. So that's not an auxiliary input. Maybe on a different model it is, but not on here. So, and I think the red button, the red LED here is for power. It tells you power's on. The green one, I think, should come on when you get a station tuned in. Didn't ever see that happen. The white one in the middle, I don't know what that is. Maybe Jeff can leave a comment and tell us. So I just wanted to let you know about why the previous show all of a sudden abruptly quit. I don't know why it stopped recording, but it did. And the only thing you missed on the last one is where I ask you for a thumbs up. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hopefully this recorded the whole thing.